the open house at Steadfast was apparently pretty freaking cool.
Oh, it was very cool.
Yeah, and that's kind of a bummer because, you know, certain ones of us didn't go and certain ones of you did.
You guys missed out.
Go, I know.
And we had our cookout, we had 33 cars. So we had 33 cars there, and we had 22, 25 cars rolling up.
And the funny thing was, I know it was just to get together of different people in their cars, but it was really nice stuff. It almost looked hand-picked.
Yeah, we handpicked them all.
Yeah, there was
We told some people they couldn't come in.
We started 200 and whittled it down to 33.
Yeah.
Did you just turn them away at the door?
No,
As they come into the parking lot?
It was like a Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. They had to.
Yeah, they had to pass
They got golden
test.
tickets.
They had tickets to be able to attend.
Where did you print golden tickets?
We have a
At
golden
the Golden Ticket Shop.
Yeah.
Print
They
press.
have those?
Yes.
Yeah, it's part of the new commercial building that we just bought.
Yeah,
There's
part of
a
our new
big
building, we have a golden ticket
print shop.
print shop.
It's very popular in the UK,
We can sell some to you.
but it's bulk.
No, you work at Speed and Design.
Charlie was poor too, and it worked for him.
Yeah.
This is true.
Yeah.
Now, if you get on YouTube and you check out the Steadfast, it's like you were there.
Yeah. You actually feel that you were there. It's like virtual reality.
Without the goofy goggles.
Without spending any of the money, you know, the time or anything like that, you actually were there.
It's pretty life-changing. You should check it out.
But we have a GoFundMe page, so any donations that you'd like to give to us, we're taking those.
Always.
Yeah.
It's like a perpetual
Yeah.
GoFundMe.
It's a Opposing Soldiers GoFundMe page for future hot rods.
Is it?
Kyle needs. We're now taking. Am I on camera, Kyle?
Yeah. Yeah.
Am I?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're now starting a GoFundMe page for Kyle for his first hot rod.
Yeah.
Or muscle car.
Yeah. Family hot rod.
Family hot rod. So we need.
It's got a seat 6.
So you need a wagon.
Yeah.
So anyone that wants to donate a wagon to Kyle, we'll take a wagon.
That stopped that pretty quick, didn't it?
I get a feeling that GoFundMe is just a post-it note that says "Fund me" on a mason jar.
It is.
Oh.
Yes.
But this is a digital mason jar.
Right. That
Because
many
this is-
people have access to.
Yes.
Because this is like a vintage-related, you know, it's kind of a old-school industry in and of itself.
Let's do the same thing. Let's start a GoFundMe for his Model A.
Yeah. But let's fund our own first
need
before
your
we fund
charity.
Braxton.
We'll be the test. We'll test it out for us.
Yes.
When
And
we
then-
get to, let's say, a magic number of 7
We need
funded
more than
hot
$7.
rods. No, 7 funded hot rods.
7 funded hot rods.
We'll let
Then
Braxton
we'll raffle one off to Braxton.
How did
To just
Braxton get
him?
Stuck in the middle of all this.
This feels like some sort of a newsworthy scheme.
It could be. Kyle's behind it.
I'm just behind the camera, not the scheme.
Yeah.
You don't want to be famous for those reasons.
No, those are.
And each one, Speed and Design does a pro bono interior.
No interior. Yes, let's get a wagon.
A wagon.
And let him do the interior.
Yeah, and that would be a quick job, a big
Quick-
wagon.
Yeah.
I'm getting pro bonoed again.
Yes. Yeah.